Hello and welcome to Ramco TV. My name is Rick Hillmer and I'm Ramco's drives guy. We have talked a lot about VFDs and their advantages. Today we will discuss a couple of their disadvantages and how to solve them. Let's take a look. All current IGBT based drives produce a chopped DC wave that simulates an AC sine wave to a motor. This chopped DC signal can cause some problems. Common mode current is created by common mode voltage, which is the sum of all three phases to ground. In a standard balanced three-phase AC system, the sum of all three phases is equal to 0. But with this chopped DC output, this is not the case. When there is common mode voltage, current will flow to ground, possibly through the motor shaft via the motor bearings. This will lead to bearing pitting and premature failure. EMI, or electromagnetic interference, is a disturbance that affects an electrical circuit due to either electromagnetic induction or radiation. While EMI is not governed or regulated here in the States, it is worldwide, and it can still cause problems with machinery and other electronics. One method to alleviate both of these problems is through proper cabling and connections. Many motor manufacturers, including ABB, recommend using cables that have a symmetrical arrangement of three-phase leads and three earth conductors covered by a concentric shield on large motors. To prevent EMI and VFD systems, many VFD manufacturers, including ABB, recommend using this same cable, but also providing a 360-degree contact for grounding at the motor and drive. This may be counterintuitive to what we've all been taught, only ground the shield at one end, but doing this makes a Faraday cage around the cable, preventing interference from entering or exiting. SAB produces cables and accessories specifically designed to solve these problems. All small cables have a concentric foil shield and braided drain. These cables can be cross-linked polyethylene, XLPE, or even contain brake pair wires. For larger motors, SAB offers a 2 kV rated cable with up to 500 MCM conductors. Cord grips are also available to connect these cables for proper EMI protection. Cord grips such as these not only provide a strain relief and seal, but these little metal tabs also provide a path to ground for the shield. If you have any other questions on these or any other applications, give us a call. We'd be happy to help. Thank you.